Okay, and we're back for the next installment here. Thanks for your patience. So as we go down the stairs here, so let me take you through like from the front entry. We'll just go through the first level of the house, just as if I'm not going to manipulate it or anything. This is just the same tour as any agent would give you, as I would give you. So here's the exterior of the house, the neighboring properties. As you can see, everybody keeps their houses up real nice. The landscaping here is wonderful. And the house definitely has nice curb appeal. So we've got a metal roof on the house, 100 years. Won't have to mess with it at all. All the windows in the house replaced. Big ticket stuff. I'll get to this in a second. This is a private entrance to extra flex space, living space. They used it as a salon for quite a while, but I'll get to that in a minute. So as we get into the house, here's where we have our first choice. We go upstairs to the bedrooms, if you like. We've got a family room here with a fireplace, natural wood burning. Or we've got living room. This is a TV room, basically. This is where they spend most of their time watching TV. And off to the back here, this is where the powder room is. Although it's a full bath, they converted it. So it's no longer a powder room. They've got toilet, sink, stand-up shower, hardly any lip on that at all. It's probably a, I don't know, maybe 4.5 inch lip, little storage. And then here is the laundry. That goes out to the tandem garage, and we'll get there in another segment of this. I don't want the runtime to go too long. So anyways, we've got a herringbone pattern here. There is a slight step down into both of these rooms. But most of the people, when they come through, if they don't go upstairs right away, they just go in through the family room, the living room, pardon me. All right, so the renovated kitchen, very nice appliances, quartz counters. This is one-piece quartz, which is really nice because it's super huge. And it's all one piece. Great fridge, ice maker. Beautiful view outside of the backyard, which we'll get to in a moment. The island has drawers and cabinetry all the way around. So they maximize the storage in here, even through underneath all here, all storage. In the cabinetry, it's all storage too, and they have rollouts. So everything rolls out, everything is super organized and maximizes the space. So well thought out. Back behind the kitchen, we've got the dining room. You can accommodate many guests, as you can see. Beautiful natural light. And as the sun sets, it gets really nice in here. All the lighting is dimmable, so you can create your own mood, and it's super cool. Really shows nice. You got a billiard room if you want, regular games room, or open it up to play area for kids, or leave it as a games room. Have another table in here if you're entertaining more guests for Thanksgiving or whatever it is. There is an abundance of space, to say the least. So we're at 4 minutes again on the lower level here. So I'm gonna go ahead and break this out into the next part. I'm gonna do the salon, garage area first, and then I'm gonna go outside. Please stay tuned, I'll be right back.